Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. I feel like someone that you've been dealing with, for some of you guys, this person either has already contacted you or they're getting ready to. And Spirit is asking you guys to just, keep an open mind, really express how you feel to this person. But I am picking up for some of you guys, you may need to be cautious because I do feel like this person has let you down time and time again. So, I feel like they're wanting you to hear them out. Some of y'all rolling your eyes, I can feel it. But, everybody's story is different. If you really do deep down love this person, you care about this person, if you want to hear them out, maybe there's something that they want to say to you, maybe there's something that you want to get off your chest, maybe this will bring closure to the situation for some of you guys, or for a lot of you, honestly, that I'm picking up, I do feel a reconciliation here. That's why they're asking you to express your love, and you have it is safe for you to love, because somebody's coming back with a changed heart. So let's see. Again, I feel like you just need to take your time, be cautious, but let's see what's going on. Let's see what comes out in the reading. Ooh. All right, so I have the King of Swords. So, yeah, somebody definitely either cut someone off or they're getting ready to. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. So, let's see. Okay, you guys are coming out of worrying about something here. Tell me more, please. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here, but I feel like when you look at this individual, you feel like there's no stability with them. And at this point, every day, you're getting stronger. You're just taking it day by day. You're healing from the past hurt that this person put you through. Because you guys are realizing that this person does not give you stability in your life. There's no security, Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius here. But I do feel like this person is not taking the lead. They're not taking the initiative to, approach you, to communicate their truth. This person could have also been a player as well, which is why you guys are just over it. You're like, I can't keep doing this anymore. Yeah. When you look at this person, you feel like there's no balance with them. I'm also hearing that for some of you guys, whoever you're dealing with, this person is lacking in finances as well. And this is why they're not approaching you, because they've messed up so bad in the past, and definitely their finances are not where they want it to be. They want to come towards you and approach you with something to give. I'm picking up like this person has like insecurities within themselves, because I feel like, Aquarius, you're a go-getter, you're a boss here, very independent. You have your stuff together, and this, makes this person a little nervous because they don't have it together. And this is for some of you guys. It's not going to resonate for everyone. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, it's something with money here. Somebody's definitely frustrated about their finances. And you guys, again, this could go vice versa, so just take it however it fits for you guys. But somebody's definitely frustrated with their finances. I do feel like somebody's frustrated about the situation. It's just like, for some of you, I do feel like you really want to be with this person. This person really wants to be with you, but there's just been a blockage here. So, yeah, look at that. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. I feel like you guys are not putting any more time, effort, or energy into the situation, and you're focusing on yourself. Aquarius, maybe this is you focusing on your finances. You're just getting yourself together. You're healing at this point because you're over the drama. You're over the mess. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo here. Tell me more. Yeah, there's no communication here. You could have blocked this person could have blocked you, but you guys aren't really speaking. Could be dealing with a Leo. But it is asking you to have strength here. Tell me more. Because right now, I feel like you guys are sad, or somebody's sad because they're realizing they're not going to have a happy home with this person. Yeah, you guys are realizing that the situation isn't improving at all. Maybe it's not going to improve. And somebody's definitely watching the other person closely. So I do feel like Aquarius, if you were the one to leave this person alone, and look at that, I just noticed the Three of Swords here. Somebody could have been in some type of third-party situation. So maybe, Aquarius, if you were the one to leave this person alone, you just dropped everything, cut communication, blocked them, you're just trying to move on. This person does not want you to move on. They're watching you. They're keeping a close eye on you. Or it could be vice versa. Again, take it however it fits. But yeah, somebody doesn't want you to move on. They really love you. They care about you. But they're just not speaking up. Yeah, somebody's back and forth whether or not they want to start over to build something with this individual, or if they just like dead it at this point. Leave it alone, because you don't see yourself building with this person, because it's like, I feel like some of you guys are scared that if you do, it's going to be the same old, same old. Yeah, you guys are feeling like the situation isn't going to improve. Look at that, the devil. Somebody could be dealing with the Capricorn here. But again, I do feel like that's fear. Clarify the devil. Let's see. Yeah, somebody's fearing giving this person another chance, because it's like you guys really do want happiness with this person. There's a Ten of Cups. You want happiness with this person wants happiness with you, but you're scared that if you give this person another chance, you're going to end up looking like, honestly, a fool at the end of the day, because they kept playing you. You know, you kept getting the short end of the stick, and you're tired of always putting your heart out on the line for somebody just to step all over it, you know? You're over it. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but that's why you're isolating yourself, because, you know, there's a lot of conflict here. You guys are arguing. If you're not arguing, there's just conflict here. Period, point blank. I feel like it's unresolved issues. Somebody feels like the other person is very immature. Yeah, because they're not speaking up. Somebody's already moving slow as it is, but it's just like you're moving slow. You're not speaking up. You know, whatever it is that you want to say, you're not saying it. I do feel like for, honestly, a lot of you guys, again, you do want happiness with this person, but you feel like you can't get that happiness unless they clean up their act. Yeah, look at that. If they clean up their act, you'll have a victory with them. You know it, and this other person knows it too. Tell me more. Look at that. You're tired of this person leaving you out in the cold. And you're back and forth. Look, the Queen of Cups. It's like somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but I feel like you guys, again, you're sad. This is your energy. I know it is. You're sad. You guys are sad. You're the Queen of Cups here. Because you really do, you want this to work. A lot of you guys really want this to work. For a select few of you that I'm picking up, you guys are just over. You're like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm done. I'm moving on. I will never give this person another chance. But there's some of y'all over there that you really do want to give this person another chance. And even if you're not verbally saying it to yourself or, you know, to other people, you feel it deep down. You really do want to give this person another chance. It's like 1 minute you want to express how you feel to this person because you're hurt and you're wanting to, you know, reach out to say something to this person, but it's like you're tired of being the one to reach out all the time, so you're just hanging back. You're cutting it off. You're not speaking up. You're holding back your emotions. You guys are definitely emotional because it's like you're feeling like what you want to take place, what you've been hoping and wishing for, is just, it's not going to happen. So a lot of you guys are just giving up. Yeah, somebody made a decision here. See, back and forth energy. I'm telling y'all, it's like 1 minute y'all made a decision, but the next minute you have to make a decision. It's back and forth. You guys are in your head big time about what to do. Or it could be this other person. It could be this other person because I'm telling y'all, whoever messed up, they're coming in to give you an offer. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay. So they want the situation to improve. They want to give you an offer because they want a new opportunity with you, Aquarius. They want the situation to improve. Somebody could be actually traveling to come and see you. Somebody about to do a pop-up. Oh, Lord. Pop up if you want, so I ain't answering my door. I'm not doing it. But anyway, you know, somebody, yeah, they're in their head big time. Whoever messed up, they want to come and give you this offer. I feel like it's an offer of commitment. It's something that you've been wanting, something that you deserve. They want to come out of feeling like they lost you. Coming out of feeling like, you know, they're just tired of being sad. You're tired of being sad. They're tired of being sad. They know they need to come in and fix it. I wanted to say somebody's avoiding the tower moment, but this is turning more so down for me. So it could be that somebody's avoiding a tower moment here. Either which way, the tower is coming. But honestly, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna take it as being reversed. So I feel like this person is gonna come towards you guys. They want to tell you the truth. Look at that, but they're scared. I feel like they're scared to tell you the truth because there were a lot of secrets. There were a lot of things that you didn't know, or maybe things that they hid from you. And they know if they want that new opportunity with you, they have to tell you the truth. And they're scared. Oh my God. It is warm in my, in my house, y'all, and my hands just got cold all of a sudden. I don't know why my hands got cold, but normally the saying if someone has cold feet, my hands are cold. So, but yeah, it's like somebody is nervous to come towards you. I feel like somebody's not using their intuition here. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. There's love here. Somebody wants a commitment. But I feel like, Aquarius, you could be the one walking away. Or maybe this person, if they were in some type of three-party situation, maybe they had to walk away. And again, three-party situation doesn't have to necessarily always be another man, another woman. It could be family member, friends, co-worker, job, whatever. However it fits for your situation. But I do feel like in order for you guys to get together, somebody had to walk away from something toxic. Some type of energy, an individual, somebody who was blocking you guys from being together in order to get to this happy ending. Look at that. I saw the lover. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. But the way that it came out, it's like, this is definitely a soulmate connection here. Somebody realizes that, okay, you're the one, they love you. But they do know that they put you through a lot. And so there's an imbalance here, and they have to fix it. That's why they're scared. They're scared to come towards you to tell you the truth, because if they do, they think you're going to walk away. This person is frustrated. But I feel like they're trying to clean up some obstacles on their end. Something that's been blocking you guys. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay, hold on. Any more? Okay. So you guys are embodying the Queen of Wands. At this point, regardless of what takes place, you guys are just remaining positive. You guys are talking to friends, family, somebody that you trust. You're venting to them, getting advice. You guys are just healing. Either which way, I feel like you guys are just moving forward, with or without this person. You are just at the point where I'm no longer waiting for you. If you guys were waiting, I'm done playing this game. There's something better for me, and it could be a situation to where for the other half of you, when this person comes back in, you're just going to be like, okay, I'm trying to remain positive, but this person has to prove themselves to me.